Hey guys, I'm back. This is assignment 4.05, weekly budget part 2. I have opened up the weekly budget part 1. Okay, we're using weekly budget part 1, but I'm going to save it this time as weekly budget part 2. So file, save as, wherever you save it. We're going to type this in as weekly _ budget _2, and then your name. So this will be a 2. All right. And so what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead. I'm just going to move this out of the way. We don't need that. I'm going to go to A16 and we're going to type in the words last updated. And in cell B16, I am going to put the date. Today is the 29th. My next step is I'm going to increase the font size. So I'm going up to 14 for this one, and I'm going up to 14 for the date. And I'm just making this larger. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and highlight my spreadsheet. I'm going to right click and I'm going to format cells. And under border, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put a thick grid line around the outside and a thin grid line on the inside. And when I click away, as you can see, thick on the outside, thin on the inside. I'm going to select the header line, which is A1, B1, C1, and D1. I'm going to change the fill, which is the paint bucket. I'm going to fill it in with a light color, not dark, because I won't be able to see, but something light. I like this light gray. And now another trick I can show you is under the home menu, under alignment, there's a button called merge and center. I have A1, B1, C1, D1, and E1 highlighted. If I click on merge and center, it's going to merge all of these columns together and center my words weekly budget. So just a little trick for you. My last step is to find the highest value for each family member, to color that value red and to make it bold. So for mom, the highest value is 250. I'm going to take the font and I'm going to make it red and I'm going to make it bold. For dad, it's the $1,000 rent, red and bold. For kid 1, it is the $35 salon, red and bold. And for kid 2, it's the $150 in clothes, red and bold. Make sure you save this as weekly budget part 2 and you submit it to the 4.05 assignment folder.